Good morning, Ash.
See the world through Ashton's eyes.
Can you tell me what you're doing right here?
I'm working on my schoolwork.
You're working on your schoolwork?
Numbers,
Letters?
letters. You put them there, on it. Now it's come in pieces.
You match up the letters?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you come off. And my letters are here. Okay. Over here in the blue area. And the green ones go right in this green area.
Can you tell me what any of those letters are?
A,
Q, U.
Q, R, A. Okay, this one goes in.
N, K.
Oh, you got a number. Okay, it goes in the blue area.
What letter is that?
It starts with my name.
M.
M. When. This is when. This is the number right here.
Let's see, that's a U.
U. And these things are names. This one goes right over here in the purple area. That one goes there. That one goes there.
It's E, I, and I, E.
I got 2.
2?
Yep.
How many is 2? Can you
And
show me how many 2 is? That's 2. 1, 2. Good job.
this one goes in the blue area.
It's an X.
And this one goes in the purple area. With the dots.
It's a vowel team. O-I.
I got one. It dropped down. It takes off. That one's bigger.
Is that a D?
Yeah,
D as in dog?
V for the dog.
Yep.
They have a dog. Oh, 2, 3 coming out.
You got 3.
Yeah. That 1, 2. Hey. The dark one goes over here.
That's an I. Lowercase I.
And this one goes right here.
O-A.
And this one goes up here.
An A.
Yeah.
What does your name start with?
That.
An
And
A. Ashton.
Ethan. And this. I don't see any I.
Where's the T?
T.
How would you find a T?
T. Back on. And this one goes there.
You have more purple?
Yep. And blue goes there.
Is that a P?
Yep. Oh, 5.
I think you have the P in the wrong spot.
P. P in the wrong spot. Twitch.
Who's that?
Twitch.
It's Trixie.
My cat. Twitch, what are you doing, girl? My cats are girls. I have a dog is a boy.
Yeah.
Okay, back on. Twitch. I know I love you. I love you, girl. And just wrote down. This one goes in the blue aisle up here.
What is that? J.
J. You're kidding, girl. Judy, I'll let you do some. And this one goes in the green aisle. Oh, there we go. And this one goes right in the aisle to George. What are you doing, girl? You're making my tears rock. So, girl, my cat's wet. My cat's wet. This global with every tear. And to teach this, I pick her up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and Trinity come up on me and Trinity jump over the fence. My dog no listens. The blue aisle up here.
It's a B.
B. And this one goes in the green aisle. Right here. Okay. Oh, Trinity right there. Okay, this one goes right there. And this one goes right in the green aisle.
You gonna finish doing this?
Jesus.
Finish doing your schoolwork?
No.
Matching up all the letters?
Yeah. Nana's name.
Ash, what is this?
My pirate hook.
It's your pirate hook? What do pirates say?
Oh,
Keep doing your letters.
I know. This one goes in the purple area.
Tell me which one that is.
2 circles.
Ooh.
Ooh. That's my name.
Like zoo.
Zoo. That's I have.
No, not yours. You have one of those.
Yeah, 1. Now that.
The H?
Oh yeah, 2.
What up here do you have?
Super reds. Purple. Purple. Purple.
Purple starts with a P.
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 P. Where's P?
P is right here. This is.
P.
That's actually, I think. No, that is the P.
P goes back here.
Yep, P. Okay, and then what comes next? A
D.
U.
U.
A U. I don't think you have the U out yet. Yeah, you do. Right here.
Yeah.
P U.
And purple.
What comes next? Do you think? Per.
P.
You
per.
have P. R.
No, that's for red.
Yeah, it's also for purple.
Okay.
I don't know if you have another P. You have to write it. So it would be a P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple.
Yeah. Yeah, for red and purple.
For red, if you put red here, you have all the letters. R.
Mm-hmm.
E.
E.
D.
T.
Red.
Red.
Nope, at the end. The D goes at the end. Spelling it backwards. Red.
Red.
R-E-D. Red.
Purple. 1, 2.
Get all the letters out. Where does that one go? Match it up. It's an E. R. No, I think that's the D, bud. It goes up here on D. It looks like the Q. There you go. What else do you have in there?
Huh. one goes.
What is that one?
Um,
AI
AI.
goes up here.
I see that. Green. Right here.
That one's alright. What does it look like? Let's see. ED. Ed.
And purple. Nowhere.
What is it? Let's see. Put it down so I can see it. Let's see. OE.
Oh, E.
OE.
Yeah.
So we might have one of these in the wrong spot. We have all the O's. O-I, O-A. O-E is right there, buddy. You had the O-A in the wrong spot.
It's the purple.
Which one is that? A-Y? Like play?
Right there.
Good job.
And birdie. I up here.
What was that one? A C, as in
C.
cat?
This purple goes right there. For doggy.
Yeah, I-G-H?
For dog.
No, that's O-G.
OG?
Yeah, D-O-G, dog.
OG dog. This one goes in the
What does it look like? An N. Does it kind of look like the M? Is it right next to it? N?
And this one.
There's your G for dog.
One more. I got two. Hold on. Oh, that one.
What else you got? See some S's.
Oh, I dropped.
See a V.
Hey, hold on. I dropped one.
There's a D-G-E, like in dodge.
Okay, this one goes right here.
U-E.
Yep, this one goes in the boy right here. Right there.
W.
And this one goes right there.
V.
And this one goes right there.
S.
Two greens.
Two S's. Like in pass.
This one goes right there.
Good job.
And,
N-G.
and this one, I had that.
You have that in your name?
Mhm.
Is that an H?
It's right there. Okay.
Looks like we found the Q,
Two.
like in quiet.
And purple.
O-U. Good job.
Hold on. I got more. That's all of them.
Is that all of them?
Yeah. Okay, this one goes to the greens.
F's.
And that one goes up there. And this one goes there.
And Z's and buzz.
Yeah.
Aw, as in saw. Boy as in toy.
And what goes up there?
There's another O. And then we got two L's, like in fill. We got stuff.
That's cool numbers.
They're letters, bud.
Yeah. You want to do this letters?
You want to finish those letters on that side too?
Yeah.
What do we have over there?
And then take them off.
And we got colors too.
I want to do colors too. Colors over here. Colors.
And go ahead and start putting them in.
No, yeah. No, colors go over here.
Okay, good job.
Okay, yeah.
Sorted them out. A-R, like in car.
Okay.
What was that one? CH. SH, like in shh.
Now,
Shirt.
two of those are my names.
Yep.
And there's one of that.
PH. PH makes a f sound, almost like an F.
Yeah.
TH. The. Is that a C and a K? IR. You got UR. Oh, look at that one a little better. There you go.
Okay, two of these. Okay, switch them up.
Good job.
And one more. Right.
WH.
Colors.
What?
Red,
You got your colors down? Red,
purple,
purple, white. Good job. A lot of whites. Those ones you can write in anything you want. We're missing one. It might be that one that's flipped over, but
Which one?
that one. There you go. Okay, what are the next colors?
Blue,
Blue,
red,
yellow, and green.
green.
It's cool. Let's see, what is this? I gotta see what this is. Lakeshore. It's pretty cool, and you can use dry erase markers, right? You can write thing in dry erase on all of these.
I know half of them.
Yeah? Is that cool?
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.